I'm Nico Halili, and welcome to The Score, where we tackle the hottest and trending topics in sports. The new season of the UAP Volleyball Tournament tips off this weekend and promises to be another great year for volleyball fans everywhere. And aside from the race for the Final Four, fans are also excited to see this year's batch of rookies. Joining us today are two of the future stars of the league. No pressure. Ea Laure of the UST Tigresses and Jen Nierva of the NU Lady Bulldogs. Future stars, it's here. I just read this. Future stars.
The Lord.
Diyos ko, Lord. Pressure ba yun? Pressure? No, but that means that people are excited na makita kayo on the court. So, when you hear that, na parang excited ng mga tao to watch you play in college, how does that make you feel?
Siguro kasi isang factor na din na na-delay nga kami ng 2 years dahil sa K-12. Pero syempre nakaka-overwhelm din kasi gusto na lang mapanood yung kung anong meron kaming talents ni Jen.
Yes.
So, yun.
Do you feel the same na pressure yung nararamdaman mo na
Yes.
parang, oh, people are so excited?
Yes.
Bakit?
Siyempre may mga expectations. So, parang kailangan mo ma-meet yung expectations ng mga tao kasi siyempre naririnig nila yung play namin before. So, papakita namin this coming season 81.
So why is it? Why are people so excited? Sabi mo nga, Ea,
Yan,
2 years
2
na
years,
hintay.
yes.
So people are like, ako nga, ngayon ko pala ba maglalaro? Parang tagal na kitang naririnig eh. So Jen, that 2-year wait, pati ba ikaw parang naiinip ka na parang, oh, I want to play already?
Not really, because high school experience is one of the best. So, talagang tinreasure ko yung 2 years na yun. And one thing then, yung high school is like a preparation talaga. Advantage para sa college.
And now that you're in college, how do you know that you're ready for the college game?
I think malalaman mo lang yun once you're there na sa court. Like how you will play against the veterans. How you will show your talents with them. Yan po.
Yeah, I think that's a great point. Kasi when you're a rookie, newcomer ka, syempre lahat ng mga kalaban, may mga kalaban ka ring bata, pero
Yes.
marami kang kalaban na
Mas ate.
mga ate nyo,
Apo.
no, the veterans. So, how do you plan to deal with that? Na yung mga kalaban nyo, more experience, mas marami na yung mga tricks, no?
Yes.
Pagdating sa volleyball,
True.
di ba, utakan ka,
Yeah.
ganyan. So, how do you plan to deal with that?
Syempre, siguro first, para sa akin, manonood ako ng mga games, yung mga previous games nila, ganon, kung paano sila maglaro, like that. And pagdating sa training, kung saan pa ako mas weak, yung weak na parang skill ko, yun. Syempre, i-enhance ko pa siya and try ko i-improve every training.
Ea, of course, you play for this proud volleyball program, this tradition-rich program like UST, and you know a lot of people are looking at you and CC to bring UST back on top. Ikaw ba parang gusto sabihin, excuse me, mga ate, rookie pa lang ako, relax, ganyan. Do you sometimes feel that way?
Sobra. Kasi, yun nga, sa sobrang high ng expectations nila, parang minsan mag-iisip ako, paano ko ba to ma-achieve? Paano ko ba to mapapantayan? I mean, ma-fulfill yung binibigay nila sa akin na pressure or like expectation. So, yun. Pero sa akin naman, sabi nga sa akin nila ates, play under pressure. Yun lang din talaga. Kung normal lang na laro every game, and wag mo isipin yung mga tao na sa paligid mo. Kung ano yung natural mong laro, yun lang yun.
I have a feeling that the two of you, because you're so talented and people are so excited to see you, yes, the pressure is there.
Yeah.
You probably talk about it and feel it. Pero feeling ko pa naglaro na, pag nag-start na yung
Yes.
game, tingin ko, Jen, ikaw, yung pressure parang ka na like, okay na, hindi ko na iintindihin yan. Tama ba?
Yes. Kasi occupied na yung mind mo eh. Parang focused ka na sa game. So, hindi mo na mapapansin yung crowds, kung gaano kadami, and yung mga cheers. So, hindi ka na talaga yung kakabahan. Parang talagang andun na yung mind mo sa game.
Okay, let's forget about yung kaba, pressure,
Yes.
expectation. I want to ask about the reason why the two of you are so excited for opening weekend? I know hindi na kayo makahintay. So, Jen, I'll start with you.
Okay.
What is making you so excited for opening weekend ng UAP Volleyball?
I think because I'm so excited because finally I can show people kung ano yung NU and ano yung mga bago sa amin and ano yung mga sino yung mga talented players and yung mga kalaban namin, yung mga ate namin na matagal na namin hinihintay and to get the championship as well. Then yun po.
Ea, how about you? What is making you super excited for opening weekend?
Siguro yung UST crowd. Sobrang, yung UST community and UST supporters na ilang taon din silang naghintay para sa larong to na first year ko maglalaro for UAAP and finally, eto na ang mangyayari na to this Sunday. So, sobrang hindi ako makapaghintay dahil kahit pa paano, pinagsisikapan talaga namin sa training na sana makabalik kami sa Final Four talaga.
I have a feeling you're going to be causing a lot of go uste chants this season. Gut feel ko lang yun. And my gut feel is the two of you will have great seasons in the UAP. So, Jen, you guys are kicking off action Saturday
Yes.
against FEU.
Yes,
So good
FEU.
luck to you guys. And then Ea naman, you're facing the Adamson Lady Falcons on Sunday.
Yes po.
Good luck sa inyo. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Jen Yerba and Ea Laure, good luck guys.
Thank you.
We're taking a short break. We'll still be joined by Ea, so Ea Ucales, this time with her father, legend Eddie Laure, and her brother, Echo, future NU Bullpup, to discuss the relationship as one of the country's top sports families. So, stay with us.